If your vehicle is showing a P0705 code, in this video I'll explain what it means and how you can go about fixing it. What is a P0705 code? It stands for Transmission Range Sensor Circuit Malfunction. In simple terms, it means there is a problem with the sensor that tells the vehicle's computer what gear the transmission is in. This sensor, which is sometimes called a switch, reports the position of the shifter back to the computer. For example, if you are in park, it sends that information. If you shift to drive, it reports that as well. When this code is triggered, the computer is seeing a mismatch between the sensor report and what the vehicle is actually doing. For instance, if you are moving at highway speeds, but the sensor indicates the car is in park, the computer knows something is wrong and sets the code. Possible causes of a P0705 code. The most likely culprit is that the transmission range sensor itself has failed. Depending on the manufacturer, this part can go by several different names. You might hear it called the neutral safety switch, a digital transmission range sensor, a gear position sensor, or even an inhibitor switch. But regardless of the name, if this switch fails, it's usually the first thing that needs to be checked and replaced. The next thing that could cause this issue is a problem with the wiring harness going to the sensor. If there is an open circuit, a short, or a poor connection, it can create the exact same symptoms as a failed sensor. Start with a visual inspection. Look for any obvious damage like loose wires or spots where the harness is rubbing against hot components like the exhaust. Look closely for any signs of melting or burn marks. These issues are more common than you might think and can easily trigger a P0705. To go deeper, you can test the wiring for continuity or shorts. To do this properly, you will need a wiring diagram specific to your vehicle. This will show you which wires correspond to each gear position. For example, one wire may represent park, while others represent neutral or drive. With the correct schematic, you can trace the circuit from the sensor back to the computer, whether that is the TCM or the PCM, and verify that the signal path is intact. Another possibility is an internal transmission issue. This could be something happening inside the valve body, or a problem with the shift linkage that connects the shifter to the transmission. If the linkage is bent, misaligned, or has worn out components, it may not move the switch into the correct position. As a result, the sensor reports the wrong gear and the computer triggers the code. Finally, although it is much less common, the issue could be a faulty transmission control module or powertrain control module. These computers process the signals from the sensor, and if the internal circuitry fails, it can cause incorrect readings. While you should keep the TCM or PCM in mind, remember that in the vast majority of cases, a P0705 is caused by a bad sensor or a simple wiring issue. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.